Going crazy in this bitch and they think that a young nigga slow. Pour my pour and I roll in my dough. Hit a fair fast finna catch a white hoe. Puffin' on drugs, got a nigga I low. Can't put your ass on, you ain't one of my bros. Can't put your ass on, you ain't one of my folks. And the hoes and the cars and the clothes and the bands and the rose ain't nothing. And the two-tone AP froze on the wrist with the rose ain't nothing. Instagram hoes ain't nothing. Instagram pose ain't nothing. Diggy your bitch on lock, little but she fuck you. Dirty little horse, she love you. Think you gon' do something bad, that bitch you bug it. Nigga gon' whack your muffin. Go ahead, call my bluff. 100 racks in the zip, I'ma fuck around, put a bag on the beach. Going fast in the whip and the passenger got a nag, give me lip. Smoking gas out the zip and I'm pouring a lemonade in the mix. Got a bed doing tricks on my dick, it's a parade in my city. Hey, but they broke, I don't get it. Fuck it, she probably regret it. Jenna be out for the beans, oh, Chelsea be out for the venom. I'm sitting in the family, back on my head, a bandana. These niggas burn like a candle, but like I'm drinking. Don't you tell me what you seen, I heard a nigga doing. I got rich, I'm tryna put on my brothers, I ain't dead. K want me to die, hot, stupid bitch, I ain't dead. I get them bricks from FedEx and I bag him up and sell him. And I can't even lie, say that I never needed you. When I was down, I needed you. Honestly, I was feeling you. Now they come back, watch some shit. Niggas so flop, cut them off quick. I done went up, I'm proud of my wrist, I'm proud of my hoes, I'm proud of my bitches. Yeah. Going crazy in this bitch and they think that a young nigga slow. Pour my pour and I roll in my dough. Hit a fair fast finna catch a white hoe. Puffin' on drugs, got a nigga I low. Can't put your ass on, you ain't one of my bros. Can't put your ass on, you ain't one of my folks. And the hoes and the cars and the clothes and the bands and the rose ain't nothing. And the two-tone AP froze on the wrist with the rose ain't nothing. Instagram pose ain't nothing. Instagram pose ain't nothing. Diggy your bitch on lock, little but she fuck you. Dirty little horse, she love you. Think you gon' do something bad, that bitch you bug it. Nigga gon' whack your muffin. Go ahead, call my bluff.
He didn't come to serve, but to serve others. So when you serve others, that is attracted to you. Everything good attracts to you doing that. So build your personal brand and give value to people and what you learn. And then all the things be added to you. Trust God and work hard at what He gives you. And it'll all come, bro.